Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is Monday, August the 6th, 2012, approximately 11:15 in Honolulu, 5:15 in New York, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. Nice showing, nice move to the upside today in both gold and silver. Platinum and palladium are down. As we go into the afternoon session, morning session is closed. We are up about $8 on the day, 16.11, 16.12 bid-ask spread in the cash. As you can see, August gold currently trading 16.10.10. Silver also trading higher on the day, currently up about 8 cents. As you can see, current print is 27.83, low 27.53, and a high of 28.11. As we see gold trading higher today, it is obviously pushing off some news that appeared in the European Union, as well as deciphering and taking in a full reaction to Friday's payroll report here in the United States. When we take a look at this market, we can see that it is quickly approaching the resistance area, at least the resistance area that has been unable to be breached. As you can see, the market right now is trading just roughly $10 to $15 shy of that point. When we go ahead and blow this chart up, let me do that for us here. What you can see, and this of course is a daily chart, cash market chart. We talked about this a little bit on Friday, but support here, resistance in this area, and once again it certainly looks like we're making a stab back towards this particular price point. The other thing that is absolutely worth noting is that if you take a look at these recent lows, and I am going by the body size predominantly on this, but when we take a look at this particular area, these lows that we've received, you can see them here, clustered here, and then the next set of lows right in here. The one thing that is characteristic of this particular price move is that we are seeing a series of higher lows, as you can see here, here, and then of course right in here. Now, to me, that is significant. Why? Because when we take a look at this market in the past, what we have seen is that the market would come down, make a low, here's a lower low right in here, but really, ever since, call it mid-May in the marketplace itself, the one thing that seemed very, very certain was that we were forming a base and a good level of price support here. However, you can take a look and count the number of times that price point was tested. On a daily basis, it was pretty much all through the end of May. We then go into June. June takes us up to these tops where we find resistance. When it comes down, we do have a higher low, but the market then is pretty resilient, moves back up, and as you can see, it once again reaches these particular areas and areas of price support. In other words, they're not really making lower highs. However, that isn't the case in this time period, because what we are seeing is really ever since the end of June, we have had a succession of lower highs and a flat top, meaning that we've got resistance pretty much at that same area, 1630. What's my sense? Well, I really need to see the market break above this particular resistance area before I really believe that it's broken out of the range to the upside. On the downside, of course, with this series of higher lows, any kind of a dip in the market to maintain this, of course, is going to have to move up this particular support line, and this support line, of course, is moving up over time. Traders, we are looking at a daily chart. This is of the continuous COMEX contract of silver. We have seen the Henkin candles finally go green again, as you can see on the daily chart. On the intraday, of course, they did go green the other day. And what we're noticing right now is that in terms of real resistance in the area, I don't really see any kind of resistance till we really hit these tops up here. Now, what is that price point? Well, the best way is just to use our pointer, and as you can see, these tops right here, 28.36, call it to 28.42, right in that area. This is going to be our interim level of resistance, and then the next level of resistance would be these tops just below $30 per ounce at 29.87. So those are the different areas that I would look for in this marketplace. Of course, first we want to see if silver can break above on a closing basis this particular price point, that first level that we just pointed out, and then this would be the second level that we would really be looking for. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow on Tuesday for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.